Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add transparent clock and weather widget to home screen of your Android phone. Okay guys, so you can see that I'm at my home screen and there is no clock and weather widget over here. Okay, so in order to add that you have to go to the Play Store. Okay, so just open the Play Store app on your phone and do a search for transparent clock and weather. Okay, so let me type that. Okay guys, so here we have our app. Just tap on that, this transparent clock and weather, and just tap on this install button. Okay, so let me do that. As you can see guys, it's downloading. It's not a very big app, it's only 11.52 megabytes. As you can see guys, it's installing. Okay guys, so it installed. Okay, so you need to go back to your home screen. So let me go back, and you need to go to the home screen. Okay, so I'm at my home screen over here. Okay, after that you just need to tap on the blank space and hold it. Okay, so let me do that. Tap and hold it, and we get these options. Okay, wallpapers, widgets, settings. So just tap on this widgets, and you need to scroll down until you find the transparent clock and weather widget. So let me find. Okay, so here we have this transparent clock and weather widget, and we have different styles over here. Okay, you can also scroll to the right. You can see there are so many styles we have. Okay, so suppose if I want this clock and weather widget, okay, to my home screen, so I just need to tap and hold it and drag it to my home screen and just put it over here. Okay, as you can see guys, it's asking me my location. Please enter your location below and tap the button to search for it. Okay, so let me enter my location and just tap on this search button over here. As you can see, select location, Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Just select your location, and it's opening transparent clock and weather. Okay guys, so depending on your location, you can see the weather details like daily forecast, hourly forecast, and other information. Okay, and you just need to go to the home screen. Okay, so let me go back. So here you can see the transparent clock and weather widget, okay, to my home screen. So you can see the clock over here. Okay, I can see the the date, okay, the day, and also the weather details over here. Okay, so guys, in this way you can easily add transparent clock and weather widget to home screen of your Android phone. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support me by subscribing to this channel. Thanks, bye bye.